check this guy out. Look at this. This rhinoceros beetle is huge. Where are you going, guy? I'm here at the Sinclair gas store getting gas in Valle, Arizona. This guy. This place is super cool. Look at the size of these. Look at this. Dinosaurs. Look at these rocks. They're closed. Look at this piece of petrified wood. Amazing. Right over there is the Flintstone, like, little campground thing. Prehistoric park. You can see Fred Flintstone right there. Look at the size of this crystal. This is ridiculous. This is a geode. Enormous. I'm not sure what this is, but that's pretty. It's like mica. This crystal, quartz crystal, is huge. Oh my goodness, look at this. Babies. Look at how cute they are. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. What are you doing? You hungry? Cute. All right, back on the road. Where'd our beetle go? There it is. You're one big beetle. Some big rocks over here too. It's like a rocks and more place. Look at this old stagecoach. Oh my God, I want it. Wow. Could you imagine riding in this thing for miles and miles and miles? That is cool. I want to build a replica of that. Wow, there's just so many rocks here. What a cool little place on your way to the Grand Canyon.